Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and today I'm doing an unboxing for Apocalyptic Beauty. Apocalyptic Beauty is an indie makeup brand that's cruelty-free and vegan. And they have a subscription box that comes with a different theme each month for about $12. And you get card and everything in this bag. And this month is Night Elf. Let's take a look at what's in here. So they always give a little bit of candy, and this month we get a couple saltwater taffies, which are good because I love saltwater taffy. And you get a business card and everything in this bag, and there's 4 things. So the first thing is Tyrande. Ooh, it's this shimmery green color. That's really, really pretty. It's like a shimmery bluish green. And then we have Keeper of the Grove, which is another loose shadow, and it's a green. And I love this color. It's like a fresh green. And we have a Teldrassil. I don't know if I'm saying these right, but ooh, it's this shimmery blue. I think this is my favorite bag yet. So I like all these pretty dark greens and blues. And then, oh, this glitter. This is a really cool glitter. It's like, it's got these, ooh, I'm spilling a little. It's got leaves and hexagons, circles, small pieces of glitter. That is really pretty. So that's everything in this month's bag. And I really like it. This is my favorite bag so far. So yeah, there you have it. So let me know if you get Apocalyptic Beauty or if you're interested in it in the comments, and I will continue to do these unboxings at least for the next few months. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.